Hi, let's build a HelloBot application. First, we'll initialize our repository with default values. We then save the botbuilder SDK to our manifest. Let's go and write our bot. First, we import the botbuilder SDK as builder. The botbuilder SDK provides us with two different kinds of connectors. One is the chat connector and the other being console connector. The chat connector is used to connect to different platforms like Facebook, Skype and Slack, while the console connector is used to connect to command line terminals like command prompt and the PowerShell. For this application, we will be using the console connector. So let's create a connector and instantiate a new console connector. So we've created a new console connector and referenced it into our constant connector. Now that we have the connector, we can start listening on this connector. Once we start listening on this connector, this establishes a communication line between the terminal and the bot. Now that the connector is set up, we need to create the original bot. This can be done using the single class that is exposed by the botbuilder SDK called the universal bot. This bot can work with both the console connector and the chat connector, hence it's called the universal bot. The first parameter that it takes in is the connector itself with which it needs to work. Then the reply function. So this function is called as soon as there is an input from the terminal to the bot. This function takes in a parameter of session which is pre-populated by the bot, and this variable will contain all the session data of the ongoing session and some helper methods. One such method is the send method, which sends a reply. So let us reply with the message hello, since this is a hello bot. Now that we've done coding, let's go ahead and run our bot. So let's give it an input as hi from egghead, and the reply should be hello exclamation mark. Yes, it is. So let's say a simple hi. Even then the reply